guys, how are you doing, my lovelies? Welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've been on here. Well, as I always say, no excuse, but life happens, and let's just say life happened. Okay? This is a long overdue video. I mentioned in my last video that I was going to do like clothing haul video to show you guys the things that I made for myself. So yeah, that's why I'm here today. But before we get into that, we know what's going on out there. We know how tough it's been. I hope it hasn't taken a toll on you or your family. I'm sorry if you hear a noise because my house is just on the road side, so it is cars and everything going by, so please pardon the noise. Okay, so I hope you and yours are doing well, and I hope that you've been at the top of your finances, your emotions, your day-to-day life, and you're not letting this whole situation take a toll on you. Well, I've been living. I've been doing my best, managing my stress, my anxieties, my everything going on currently. But today I just decided, why not do like a whole video. I'm not going to be doing all of the things that I've made today, but I promise you I'm going to do another part, a part two, I'd say. But today I'm doing like the basics, like the casuals that I've made for myself to stay at home, to run like little errands. But as we know, the weather is cold now. At the time when I made this, it was still in summer, so obviously they're going to be sitting in my wardrobe until next summer. But I'll still like show you guys like a couple of those things, so stay tuned. See you soon. But yeah, before that, let me show you the pants that I'm currently putting on. Is one of my creations, one of the things that I made. So that's the trouser. As you can see, it's got like, I don't know if you can see it properly. I'll just bring this down a bit. So that's the pant that I made. I made it, as you can see, it's got flower. It's mostly for like summer slash autumn, maybe spring, but I don't know. It's just really pretty. It's got like flowering details. It's got like bare bottom, which was what I was really feeling in this summer, even though like we didn't get the opportunity to go anywhere. So here is the pant. Okay, so that's it. That's what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into the two-piece. They're quite like basic. I'm sorry, because of the positioning of my camera, you might not see my face when I'm doing this, because I have to adjust so you can see like the fit. So before the two-piece, I decided to show you a second pair of pants that I actually had amongst the things that I want to show today. So I'll just quickly like show you. Yeah, I know I said it's just two-piece, but I just thought I'd show you a couple of trousers because I put them with, what I brought out to show. So I thought, okay, why not? I'll just show you. So this is another pair of pants that I made. I think I need to adjust the camera. So another thing is, when I made this, I had a bit of, hold on, right now, whoa, I've shrunk a bit, so they look like a bit more loose. I mean, the intention for this fit is for it to be free, but I think they become more free. Well, I don't know if I'm gonna do any adjustments or if I'm just gonna leave it like that, but this is this one. Let me put the camera close so you can see it closely. So this is the pant. It's got pockets. That's the back of it, and that's the length, and it's bare bottom as well. I really like this. I like the color. I like the fact that it just drapes really nicely, and the fit is good as well. Oh. So here's a two-piece, similar to the dress, but the same material, just different styles. And this is really comfortable. I really like it. So, yeah, that's one. Let's get on to the next. So, guys, this is a very casual and chic one for staying at home, basically. And this is what it looks like. Okay, I hope you can see it. So I really like this one. This one is like you want to show a little bit of extra skin when you're at home, and maybe when daddy's at home and you're feeling some type of way, you can wear this. I'm actually wearing something underneath. That's the black part that you see. But ideally, you know, if I'm at home, I wouldn't wear that. So it's gonna be my skin. And that's really pretty for, sometimes when I'm home, I don't like wearing clothes. Like, I like to be free. I like really short. Sometimes just pants and a vest. But, you know, when you got children as well in the house, sometimes you just want to cover up a bit. This works. This is perfect and cute. And the color, the texture, everything just does it for me. So, yeah. Let's get on to the next one. I really like this one. Really do. Very comfortable. Have you ever thought about like having something that is just so loose, just makes you free, you feel free, like in yourself, within yourself? This is one. This is an oversized hoodie. As you can see, this is quite like wide because I'm yet to put the thing. That's the whole idea. I'm still thinking, should I put it? Should I not? But for now, I'm just still vibing with it being like this. This is really loose, very comfortable. It's got a pocket if you need to put your hands in, and as you can see, it's got some cute chick all over it. That's the hoodie. It's got a black lining underneath it. It's just perfect for me. Like, I really, really like it. And I made a short for it. Just in case, I want to go out real quick. I could just put that on. See? Wear this underneath and put my trainers on or whatever, and off I go. So that's the shorts. That's what it looks like. Yeah, very comfortable. I don't like my shirts being unnecessarily tight and uncomfortable. If you're like that, let me know in the comment section. I don't like things like just being too tight around my belly. So this works really, really well. I can also like wear the short with something else. It doesn't have to be with the hoodie. So that's the whole idea of it. So this is one that I made. One that I made that I like. So cute. So fine. So nice. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? So see you soon. Gotta change this and bring you the next one. So here's my final piece. High-waisted. This skirt has got a top, but I'm yet to finish it. So I thought to just show you the skirt since it's ready. And I think it works really cool with this type of top. The top that I'm making with is quite different though, but very smart and not complicated. So this length for me, the stretch, boy, the fit, on point. Like everything about this is just fire for me. I like it. I like the fit. I like the style. I like that it gives me a little bit of that, and it brings my a little bit, gives me that little bit of curve to it. So this is my final fit for the day, guys. So guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we'll see you again very soon, and hope your day, your week, your month, and the rest of 2020 turns out as beautiful as you. Remember, don't let the stress get to you at all. Like, do your best to stay fit, do your best to stay positive, do your best to stay happy. Don't forget to like, share, and most of all, comment. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel, encourage me, and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Whether it's an advice, whatever it is you think, please leave a comment. All comments are appreciated. All comments are welcomed as long as they're constructive. Criticism is fine. Just make sure it's constructive. And wow, that brings it to the end of today. See you next time. Bye.